Man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man my dad never was. Hear my music, it's all soul. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing all the bad women in the building. Man, there's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life, all I got. This life. Hey. So let's drink to everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it, and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know what sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, and I lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hiding in the Arizona landscape. Cause I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you. With a guy like me, we could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right.
So what's up, everyone? You know, but first, before I say anything else, I want to ask, what do you think of that intro that I made for this video? If you want to see more style like that, like more video style like that, just let me know. And you know, I'm gonna hope to continue to do something like that, because obviously I'm getting inspirations from like Max Tuning, Christian Guzman. So I'm kind of, you know, I'm gonna implement my own style towards like videos like that and videos like this. So I'm chilling in Costa right now. We're going around town just for a few minutes. Maybe we're gonna like get a few pictures. I'm practicing with this camera right now at the moment, so gonna get a few practice shots. We're gonna walk around. Hopefully we're gonna go to this place called Boland's Mill, so that's gonna be about 15 minutes away from here. But I'm gonna show you what I'm having right now. Tasty, tasty. He's having his pretty boy latte. Exposure.
Standard latte.
Standard latte.
Standard latte.
Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it. Fool. Yeah, I'm just having a normal cappuccino right here. Look at all that sugar.
Look at diabetes.
Yeah. So let me get a little sip for the people.
You weren't going to pay for that latte.
I almost didn't pay for this latte actually. I kind of just walked away with it, but then she's like, hey, come back. But maybe get a few gym clips and just cut it off over there. But I'm just gonna show everything that I'm doing so far today. But I'll see everyone in a few minutes. Yeah, so what is up? We're just here by Boland's flour mill, and you know, we just came here for a few pictures, but the initial site itself is actually being built on, so you can't even go in. Things have been built on like over the last few weeks, but we're just literally right beside it. So this is where we are now, just getting a few shots, you know, just practicing with the camera, getting to know this camera well. We're gonna head off somewhere else maybe and see if we get more shots, and after that we're gonna go to the gym and get a quick shoulder and back session over there. But these are the views, as you can see. Looks absolutely quality around here. You know, maybe I would have liked if there was a bit more sun, but we can't have what we want all the time, and we're just gonna make do with what we have right now. But this is it. This is what you see. Views everywhere. Looks absolutely quality, but this is what we have right now. This is what we could do.
Years and the fans just keep cheering. No interceptions, no interference. I'm on an A-team, no Ed Sheeran. I'm headed for the stage now, they clearing all the bad women in the building. Man, there's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. Hey, this life, this life, this life, this life. Hey. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy to live. Oh yeah, this baby. Life, this life, this life, all I got. This life. Hey. So let's drink all I got, yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it, and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know it's sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, and a lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hiding in the Arizona landscape. Cause I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you with a guy like me.
Yeah, so this fool's like, oh, let's go to Belgium. Let's go get a burrito, right?
From far away, it said Belgium. So I thought there was Belgium there because it says Belgium.
This place is in construction. What's wrong with you? Explain to the people. Yeah, it's being built, so we have to walk all the way down there. Jesus, what's wrong with you, man?
It was a nice walk anyway. I enjoyed that walk.
Nice walk, yeah. So we are gonna head down. It's gonna take us like 15 minutes to walk down to the next Belgium instead. So that's what we're gonna do. Get something to eat, then go straight to the gym. This fool dragging us all the way down here. So I'm gonna head down, get a nice burrito, whatever. I have food prepared also at home, so I'll have one more meal at the end of the day, and I'm finished. So get talking to you. We've been out now for what? How many hours?
About 2 hours now.
About 2 hours now. So I'm hungry. Jesus Christ. Man, I don't like pigeons, man. I don't like pigeons. Wait. Show the people what I'm looking at. I hate pigeons. Anyone that knows me well, I don't like pigeons whatsoever. Let's stay with this thing. Rats of the air. Rats of the air. Fuck that shit, man. Bullshit. Yeah, so we're gonna head off to Belgium. So I'll see everyone in a few minutes, right about now. I got the burrito. Nice. Yes. So, right, what are you doing now?
I'm about to dig in.
Shut up.
I'm about to dig in.
Yeah, so that is it for today. Let me focus. Yeah, so that is it for today, and just went around looking for a few shots, few pictures for the Instagram. You know, I'm just practicing with this camera for now, you know, getting used to it. And you know, we went to Boojum after getting a few pictures. Then, as you saw, we got a nice little tiny bit of chest, back, and I didn't really get shoulders because the gym is just way too packed. So that was all. That's it for today. It is, let me see what time it is right now. It is now 20 to 8. So I'm gonna cut off the video and end it right here. But expect more. There's another video coming soon. I'm hoping, you know, I just want to bring fun to the channel at least. You know, I don't want to be doing the same shit as everyone else. Leave my house, go gym, back home. I'm going to put so many other stuff in this, so expect more kind of free roam kind of content like this. But am I trying to achieve anything on YouTube? No, I'm not. You know, just having fun with this, just recording whatever, getting used to this camera. But I'm gonna end it right now. I'm gonna finish. If I haven't, like, let me know what else you wanna see. I'm thinking maybe bringing a few topics, whatever. Just talk about anything. Maybe, you know, current events that is going on right now at the moment. But I'm gonna cut this video off because I am talking too much shit.
One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? 'Cause you never know.